how to see your Instagram password and if you've forgotten it. So let's begin. First, you need to open the Instagram application and log into your account. And after that, what do you need to do? You need to tap on this profile icon that you see here, which is at the bottom corner. You need to click on it. And after that, you will see these three lines. You need to click on these and then select this option called Account Center. Click on it, and from here, go to Password and Security. Here, you need to click on Change Password. Now select your Instagram account, enter your current password, then enter your new password below, and after that, retype the new password. This is how you can change your password. That was the method to change your Instagram password. Now, let's talk about how you can view your Instagram password in case you have forgotten it and don't know what it is. For that, here's what you need to do. Go back and open the settings on your mobile phone. As soon as you go into settings, scroll down and find the Google option. Once you find the Google option, select the email that you mostly use on this mobile phone. For example, I use this email, so I will select it here. Then scroll down. Here you find an option called Password Manager. Click on it. Click on the Continue button that appears. As soon as you click on it, all the passwords for all the sites that are saved will appear here. Scroll down and find Instagram. Here you can see that I have 2 Instagram accounts saved here. Click on it and then you will see both accounts. One is this account and the other is my main account whose password I don't remember. This is the account. Here you can see its username and below that its password. Now to view the password, click on this eye icon. As soon as you click, the password will be visible. So this is how you can find out your Instagram password even if you have forgotten it. That was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.